Hi, I'm Dara, and this is day 6 of 27 weeks to starting a real-life, million-dollar local business. So we have a name, Enjoy Maids. It invokes a feeling of happiness, a feeling of satisfaction. I like it. Our name will be a big part of our brand, and we will keep the lighthearted, happy nature that the name represents. So a brand is what people think of you immediately when they see your name, design, or offering. And the difference between a good brand and a great brand is consistency.
I think one of the things to consider is keeping in mind what the customer wants to be presented with as you're making the offering. Like what type of emotion you're trying to evoke, and making sure that you're able to address that with simple cues, and those could be colors, images, symbols, simple cues that get your point across in a cool, fun, and engaging way. And I focus on that as we're thinking about how we put together our website and the faces that we use and so on. There's quite a bit that goes on as it relates to coming up with a cohesive brand that communicates your product or service well.
First, we created our logo. If you're working with a designer or posting logo contests on something like 99 Designs, it's important to grab inspiration to help you communicate your thoughts. I usually scroll through Dribbble and then send my ideas to the master. For our brand, we will keep a lot of yellows and blues and lots of white. All three of these colors feel clean to me. So what's next? We're really moving now. Tomorrow, we're going to set up our website and officially establish our online presence, making us that much closer to our first booking. See you tomorrow.